Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a huge Dasio haul. Now you guys know I love Dasio. You've seen my hauls already before, but every single time I do make a trip to Dallas, I like to stock up on some stuff and as well try some new stuff from Dasio. And if you guys aren't aware or you've never seen my Dasio hauls before, basically Dasio is like a Japanese dollar store. Everything in there is pretty much $1.50. The highest items that are priced in there are around like $5, but that's more for the home decor kind of stuff. But for the most part, everything is like $1.50. It's super cute store. I think if I invented a store, it would definitely look something like that. Everything in there is pretty much pink. But yeah, I made a trip to Dallas. Me and my boyfriend went for the weekend just to get away and spend the weekend together, and we did go to Dasio. I was super excited. I haven't been in a while, almost like a whole year, but yeah, I'm going to show you guys all the things that I got today. So if you guys want to see what I got, then please keep watching. I have this like ginormous bag of stuff, and I'm going to show you guys every single thing that I got today. I'm gonna try not to block the camera, but the first thing I want to show you guys are some of these. These I get just to stock up on because these are some of my favorite. So these are actually cotton puffs, so they're like little cotton squares, and I like them because I like to put my makeup remover on them and then wipe away my makeup. I use one of them for my whole entire face, and I feel like it just saves me money whenever I go to Dasio and get these, because there's 2 packs of these. They come with 90 of them, I think. Yeah, 90 pieces per box, and it's only $1.50 versus going to, Walmart. They're like $1, $2, and you only get like, I think like 80 of them. So I really like that you can, get this in bulks. Like, they make the 2 packs of these. So I got 1, 2, and 3 bundles. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 little boxes of these, which I needed desperately. So I'm going to put these in my bathroom, that way I can use them. Like chocolate chip cookies. I thought that these would be good to eat with some coffee in the morning or something like that. I have tried these before and I really do like them. They're really good chocolate chip cookies. I'm not the type that really likes hard chocolate chip cookies. I mainly like them to be more soft and more chewy, but these are so good with coffee and tea as well, so I decided to get a pack of these. I did stock up on some stuff because I wanted to make my niece like a little cute Easter basket for Easter, so I got her some stuff, and I don't really want to like show it, but I'm just gonna show it because I'm too excited, because I don't want my sister to see what I got, or my mom. But oh well, we're just gonna show what we got her. So, and also Mia watches my videos too, so like I'm like, I don't know if I want to show this, but oh well. So I got her these little cute little slippers. Like, look how cute these are, guys. Like, she is going to look so cute with these, and I thought that these would be cute because my mom wears slippers around the house all the time, and sometimes she'll leave her slippers and then Mia tries to put them on. So I was like, these are so cute because they're like slip-ons and they're pink and they just look so cute. Like, I'm obsessed with these. Kind of jealous that they didn't have these in my size, but these are gonna look so cute on her. So I got her these to put some of her Easter stuff in, and I'm also going to put more stuff in here, and I like that it's like a little bag, so it's kind of different from doing like an actual basket. This is like more like a little bag, and it has a bunny. Super cute. And I decided to get her some Easter dishes because I don't believe she has any, and she usually eats like stuff in little bowls like this, so I thought that this would be super cute. And I feel like this can just go for like, any time of the year. It doesn't really have to be for Easter, but it has this adorable cute little bunny on it. So I got her a plate so that she can eat maybe her breakfast on, and then this little bowl for like, I don't know, like noodles or something like that. And the next thing I got was this right here. This is like a incense. I'm obsessed with these. I believe I only got 1 of these. Yeah, I only got 1. I meant to get 2, but Next time when I go, I'm definitely going to stock up more on this. So you basically open this little bottle, you put the little sticks in there, and you just set it on your dresser. And oh my god, guys, like when I used to put these in my room back home, I used to put them in my room, and you can smell up the whole entire room with this. And for being like $1.50, I didn't think that these were going to work, but I really do like these. They have different scents, but my favorite scent is Princess Rose. So I got a pack of that. Pins, so I had to stock up on some of their pins. I love using these for work, and I needed some more of these because the ones that I had at work did run out of ink, so I decided to get these again. I have to stock up on some Pocky sticks because I love Pocky sticks. I actually like pretty much all the flavors, but the ones that I like the most are the matcha green tea because they just taste like Starbucks, like in a cookie. So the Pocky sticks, if you've never actually tried them, the top is like more of a fortune cookie kind of taste, like, but in stick form, and then they have the flavoring of whatever you get. There's like strawberry, cookies and cream, nutter butter, I believe there is. But yeah, these are super good. I love using these for whenever I'm drinking tea or just, you know, just a snack on. So did get some little grass for her basket, so I got some of that. And then I got this because this looked interesting and I do want to try this. So this is actually like an essential oil that you can put in your vaporizer, I guess that's how you would call it, but this is a scent Rose, and I thought that this would be a nice scent because the scent that I showed you guys did really work, so I wanted to try this and see how I would like it. I'm actually going to open this and smell this. Oh yeah, it's actually the exact same scent as the little incense that I got with the sticks, so super cute, and it is pink. So cute. God, I always see these when I go to Dasio, but I never pick them up just because like pore strips never really work out for me, but I've been noticing that my pore area on my nose is getting super bad, so I wanted to get some kind of pore strips to maybe take care of blackheads. So I got these. They had different colors and I didn't really know what the different colors meant because a lot of this is in like, you know, Japanese, so I didn't really know, but these are just supposed to help with blackheads. And I got one pack of these, and these do come with 4 strips. So I guess I will, you know, update you guys on how these work. Sticky notes, because I love these little sticky notes for, you know, work whenever I have to write down my appointments and stuff like that. And I like them because they come in all pastel colors, so I got a pack of these. And then I did get some rubber bands. These are just like little rubber bands that you can use for pretty much anything, but I thought that these would be cute for Mia's hair or something like that. So I got her a pack of these. Got another pen. This is like more of a thicker pen. I do really like the way this one writes. I actually have one of these with my like little planner that I like to write with. But I decided to get another one of these for work because mine went out of ink. I'm most excited about, every single time I go to Dasio, I try to look for some kind of cute phone case and I could never really find one, so I finally found one for my phone. This one's super cute. I had one similar to this with my other iPhone that I had, but since I updated, I haven't gotten a chance to like get a cute phone case, and this one was only $4, but I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me actually take it out of the packaging so you can see it. Oh my god, look how cute that is. So it says, ice cream, love you, favorite, my love, XOXO, and it's like a little ice cream. Super cute. Definitely something that you can put on your phone and kind of like accessorize for spring and summertime, which is why I got it. And I love that it has like pastel colors. They are reused because I wanted just to try it out, to be honest, and I was too excited because I haven't had a good eyelash curler in forever. I do have a Tarte one, but it's kind of like going bad, so I decided to get one from Dasio. And of course it is pink. It came in this box. I did use it. I do really like it. I was kind of scared to put this on and curl my eyelashes just because like it is kind of like a cheaper dollar store brand, and I didn't know if it was gonna like take out my eyelashes or anything like that. But no, it works like a high-end curler, so definitely recommend this. But I always have to get these when I go to Dasio, but these were really cute. Definitely different from any of the other socks that I've gotten from Dasio. These are just like a light pastel pink color, and they do have little pearls on it, which I thought was super cute. But these are just like fuzzy socks. I love putting on lotion on my feet and putting these on because they help moisturize my feet, and it's super comfy, especially for winter. I know it's going into spring, but I still love wearing fuzzy socks. during this time of the year. Call me crazy, but I just love the way it feels on my feet. Okay, so the next thing I got, this is kind of like little kiddish, but I was like, you know what, screw it, I don't care. So I actually have been needing a new toothbrush. I was gonna say toothbrush, but I meant toothbrush. And I thought this one was super cute, and to be honest, I got this mainly because like me and my boyfriend have like one restroom together, and I almost always accidentally use his toothbrush because his almost looks like mine, except mine's pink and his is like a light blue green, so I always get it confused somehow, but they look almost exactly the same. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna get a new toothbrush so I don't mix them up anymore. But this one is a Hello Kitty one, and then this one says that it has like a little like travel thing, so you can put over here so whenever you travel. I thought that that was good because whenever I do travel, I like to kind of cover, you know, the bristles so it's not rolling around in the bag bare, getting on nasty stuff. So yeah, I got a Hello Kitty toothbrush to put in the bathroom and use. Last thing was again for Mia for her Easter basket. So this is so cute. I saw these and I was like, you know, I have to get these for her because she loves drawing on anything, and I thought that this would be cute for the sidewalk. So this is actually like little eggs, but they are chalk. So I thought that that was super cute. It comes like in a little carton of egg. Actually, I don't want to open that because it is sealed. But yeah, it's just little pastel colors. She can write on the sidewalk with these, and I thought it was super cute. Okay, so that is actually everything that I decided to get at Dasio. I felt like it was a lot of stuff, but now that I'm looking at it, it's not that much stuff. But yeah, I love doing Dasio hauls. I love going to Dasio. You guys should definitely check it out. The only Dasio that I know of that's in Texas is in Dallas. I haven't really found anywhere else that has Dasio besides Dallas, but if you are in like California, San Francisco, anywhere up there, they do have Dasio, so I definitely highly recommend you guys to check it out. But yeah, if you guys like these videos, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. That way you guys can be notified every single time I upload. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!